Yeah, that was a spirit box. Yeah. Good thing I super glued my legs. My arm kind of fell off though. Just a minute. Let me where's the stitches again? Let me stitch my arm back real quick. Stitching my arm back. You know, it's a good thing I'm a zombie. Because I'm already dead. I mean, like, if I ever feel sore, I could just, like, take my arm off. Or take my legs off. And throw it away for, like, a minute or two. And I won't be able to feel sore. That sounds good. I kind of want to do that later. Yeah. Wow. Just give me a minute. Give me. Dang, that was crazy. I know it's in my name, but that was just insane, dude. Why are we still here just to suffer? Exactly. Anyways, let me get my chair real quick.